Have you ever wondered why bats can live up to 40 years without developing a single tumor? While humans are constantly at risk of cancer, these flying mammals have evolved a unique biological shield that allows them to harbor viruses yet remain tumor-free. Today, we dive deep into the science behind this incredible survival trait and what it could mean for curing human diseases. Scientists have long known that bats are immune to cancer, but the mechanism was a mystery. The first clue lies in their cells' ability to repair themselves. Unlike our cells, which age and accumulate damage, bat cells possess an enzyme called telomerase that is inherently active. This allows them to proliferate indefinitely, supporting rapid tissue regeneration even during aging or severe injury. But having regenerative powers isn't enough. Controlling the immune response is equally critical. Bats have evolved a unique way to manage inflammation. They effectively mute the NLRP3 inflammasome and tone down dangerous type 1 interferon storms. This prevents the chronic inflammation that usually seeds cancer in aging tissues, creating a balanced environment where the body doesn't overreact. This balanced immune surveillance also helps them clear viruses efficiently. It is widely believed that their ability to fly plays a massive role in this adaptation. The intense metabolic stress of flight forces their bodies to develop robust stress response systems that might have inadvertently evolved into these cancer-fighting defenses against viral infections and cellular damage. The genetic evidence is stark when we compare them to us. In humans, cancer typically requires a complex accumulation of multiple mutations over decades before a cell becomes malignant. However, bat cells require only 2 mutational hits to become cancerous. Despite this lower barrier, their specific biological inhibitors prevent these few hits from ever progressing into a full-blown tumor. Now, imagine applying these findings to human medicine. If we could understand how bats regulate telomerase without causing uncontrolled growth, we might unlock new treatments for age-related tissue degeneration. Furthermore, mimicking their ability to suppress chronic inflammation. Could revolutionize cancer prevention strategies in elderly patients who suffer from constant immune system flare-ups. In summary, bats survive by combining indefinite cell regeneration with precise immune control. They teach us that longevity isn't just about living longer, but about preventing the cellular chaos that leads to cancer. Their evolutionary journey offers a roadmap for extending human health span and potentially eradicating one of our deadliest diseases forever. So there you have it. The bat's secret lies in mastering inflammation and cellular repair. What other animal adaptations do you think could save lives? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into medical science.